It is really important, imperative in fact, that all parties abide by their obligations on international humanitarian law and human rights law. All measures must be taken to ensure the protection of all minorities and to avert reprisals and acts of revenge. The only way forward is a nationally owned political process that brings an end to the litany of suffering, fulfills the aspirations of all Syrians, and ensures truth, justice, reparation, healing, and reconciliation. It is essential that the human rights of all Syrians are at the core of such a process through meaningful and inclusive participation, including notably of women and young people. Syria's sovereignty, unity, independence, and territorial integrity must be restored, and my office is ready to support this transition process.